Hi everyone, welcome to my channel eTech Radius, and today I'm going to show you how to change the background of your desktop with any image. Go to the start button, select settings, go to personalization, click on background, and you go to choose a photo, browse photos, select the image. I'll take this one over here, choose picture, and you've got different options: fit, stretch, tile, center and span, but I'll leave it on fill and close this. And now you have a new background image on your Windows desktop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and take care.